I just wanted to give you some insight on what I do now while this coronavirus crash is affecting the market. Um, Lately, I've been trying to day trade and learn more about that. This is the stock that I've been focusing on, ACB, Aurora Cannabis. I talked about this in my previous video, but I've had some success lately. I just started looking into this more starting last week. I'll show you my history with it. Let's see. So you can see a lot of canceled orders, but this is when I started trading with it. I tried 200 shares just to test it out, bought it at 73 cents, sold at 80 cents 2 days later. As you know, probably on Robinhood, you only get 3 day trades every 5 day rolling period. So I have to be careful about it. So if I, don't see a good opportunity to sell during the day, I definitely would want to hold on to it so I don't get one of the day trades taken away from me. So that was a nice $14 profit. I mean, not much, but we're trying to go for quantity. We're not trying to get a lot of money made in one trade. We're just trying to make a lot of trades. So next I went, I bought more shares because I felt more confident in it. Bought it at 80, sold it, or no. Here's the next trade. Bought it at 78, sold at 80. Only 2-cent gain, but I made about $10, you see. I'll take it. And I didn't waste a day trade here. You see, I bought it March 25th, sold it March 26th. Next, it was still rising, and obviously I would have made more if I held it, but you assume more of a risk if you hold it for longer. So I bought these next 500 shares at 90 cents, sold it at 98. You can see a nice little profit there. And my goal here is just to make $2 increments, but I think I just got carried away sometimes, get a little cocky and think that, I can make more than I should, and necessarily it worked out for me. But sometimes if you do that, you're taking on more risk and you could lose a lot more. Most recently, I just bought back in at 84 cents, 500 shares. That is today, 3 hours ago. And wow, let me go back to the current stock price. You can see I'm down a little bit now, but I did have an opportunity to sell earlier today for a $2 or 2-cent gain. Would make like $10, but I would have wasted a day trade, and I didn't want to do that, so I've been holding on to it. So right now I'm thinking probably if it hits 88 cents, 90 cents today, I'll sell and use up one of my day trades. But if not, I'd rather just hold it until tomorrow and risk that hopefully overnight it'll gain some, it'll go up, and I can sell it without wasting a day trade and still making money off of it. Currently, I had used my cap, as you saw in my history last week. I used all 3, and today I just got 2 more back. So this is what I did today. To try to get into day trading, my suggestion would be to pick a stock that you have been following for a while. Pick stock that you're comfortable with. Don't worry about the price because the price is relative. You're looking at the percentage gain. I've picked Aurora Cannabis because it's been crazy volatile lately. It's been having 10, 20% swings even in a day. So, and also, you want to make sure that it's heavily traded. You don't really have to worry about that too much. Most stocks will be traded enough where you don't have to worry about the volume. This happens to be the most traded stock on Robinhood. If you check the 100 most popular link, it would be number 1. And I've just been following this for a while, so I feel comfortable trading. And then start small. You don't want to put all your money in first and potentially risk it all. You want to learn as it goes, start small, work your way up, and then start putting more and more when you feel more comfortable. And also, you have to worry about the limit. I'll show you here. So yeah, as I mentioned, you only have 5-day rolling period to have 3 day trades in. So Friday into Monday doesn't count. It's 5 days from the day that you made the day trade. But you can get around this if you have over 25,000 in your account. You don't have to worry about any of these day trade rules. I don't know why that is, but if you have less than 25,000, you have to worry about this. So be cautious of this and don't blow it all. 356, market is about to close at 4. I decided to actually hold on to my position. I'm not going to sell. I'm actually down a little bit. Wasn't much movement after I recorded the earlier segment, pretty much stayed flat as you could see. So I'm gonna hold on to it. I probably won't sell it in the after hours, even though it might move a little bit, but we'll hold on to it tomorrow, and then I'll save, get the extra day trade, and won't waste that 1 of 3 for the week. So yeah, I'll check in tomorrow or something.